I know. I'm late, but I am here. I just want to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. Last year was a great year for the channel. We saw some growth. Super excited about that, and I hope to see more growth this year, and that wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of you. So I just want to say thank you so much. Whether you hit that like button, whether you hit that subscribe button, whether you turn on the bell notifications, so whenever I dropped a new video, you were the first person to watch. Last year I focused a lot on machine expansions, doing some reviews, just letting you hear the demos. We did a lot of play series. That was beneficial as well for the channel. This year I want to do more of those as well, both expansions and play series, and also just doing a lot more machine tutorials to help you guys. And that leads me to my next point, which is my machine tutorials. I have a lot of different machine tutorials on my YouTube channel, and they're all playlisted. So if you just want to turn on YouTube and watch those, you're more than welcome to, or you can speed up the process just by simply downloading my course from my website, and that's FizzENT.com. I will leave a link in the description box below, which brings me to my next point, which are the affiliate links in the description below. For those of you that don't know, those affiliate links help out the channel. So that's what really helps this channel get better, whether it's quality wise, investing in cameras, audio equipment, just buying small cables, wires, things that you might want me to review in the future. That just helps me increase the quality of what you are seeing. So anytime that you click those affiliate links, it helps out a lot. And I just want to say thank you for that. Without you hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications and leaving comments down below, this channel wouldn't grow. And because you take the time out to hit that share button and send people my way, it not only helps me and my community, but it helps all of us, our community, because we are all in this together. I just wanted to hop on here and express my gratitude and just say thank you for everything. This year I want to continue demoing Native Instruments expansions as well as their play series, and also throwing in a lot more machine tutorials. I'm still working on the short contents as well, like the YouTube shorts and stuff for TikTok or Instagram Reels or whatever you want to call it. So again, I just wanted to hop on here and just express my gratitude and say thank you for your continued support, and hope to see you back here for future videos. It's your boy Young Fizz, also known as Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.